Hey guys! In this video let us get to know about 5 interesting, not so boring ways of eating this nutritious dry fruit called almonds. Before start to watching this video, if you are the new one kindly subscribe to our channel, to get instant updates on healthy tips and tricks. For most of us, finishing those almonds was dreadful. Cut to being an adult, things haven't changed much. Just like our parents, we too know how good almonds are for our health. But does that make us want to eat them every day? The answer is no. Not because we don't care about our health, but simply because eating them in the exact same way every day is boring for our taste buds. Even if you're a highly organized person, you would love to shake things up once in a while, be it with your lifestyle or your meals. Well, you need not fret anymore because we're here some of the most delicious ways of adding this healthy dry fruit in your meals. At first let us see about nutritional value and benefits of almonds. In case you're still not convinced about eating almonds, let's go through some of its health benefits. Almonds are a rich source of vitamin E, B2, manganese, magnesium, healthy fats as well as protein. Because of this impressive nutrient composition, it's considered a healthy food. It helps regulate blood pressure, lower blood sugar levels, lower bad cholesterol, improve satiety, and may improve bone health. Now let us see what's the difference between soaked and raw almonds. Soaking almonds overnight is one of the most common ways of eating them. Soaking helps reduce the amount of phytic acid in almonds and makes them easier to digest. This acid can lower the amount of calcium, zinc and manganese absorbed by your body. This is why soaked almonds are preferred by many. Here's how you can eat soaked almonds. Let us know the process through step by step. Step 1. Take a bowl and fill it with warm or room temperature water. Step 2. Soak 4 to 5 almonds in the water. Step 3. Leave them overnight. Step 4. Peel the almonds and eat them the next morning. If you don't like the taste of soaked almonds, you can stick to raw almonds. They're safe to consume too. While some people find it difficult to digest almond peel, others face no problem at all. Therefore, it's up to you if you want to eat them with or without the peel. There are much more different ways of eating almonds. Now that you know how and why one should eat almonds, here's how you can include them in your meals, without having to compromise on the taste. Number 1. Toppings for your fruits. If you're into fruit bowls, you can add some chopped almonds to it. They'll add a delicious crunch and some extra nutrition to your meal. Fruits like banana, apricot, custard apple, and plum taste good with almonds. Number 2. Add it in your granola or trail mix. There are many easy and healthy granola recipes that you can follow. If you want to, you can also go for a store-bought granola of your choice too. All that you need to do is add whole or chopped almonds in the mix, store in an airtight container and use as per your liking. Number 3. Almonds are great for smoothies. It's no secret that adding some nuts and seeds in your smoothie can make it a whole lot healthier. However, adding almonds will also make it more delicious. Be it a banana smoothie or a fruit smoothie bowl, sprinkle some almonds on top and you're done. Number 4. Flavored almonds for snacking. If you're good in the kitchen, you can easily make healthy snacks that include roasted salted almonds, barbecue flavored almonds or chocolate coated almonds. If you're not an expert in the kitchen, you can even buy and store flavored almonds for your hunger pangs. While snacking on almonds, make sure that you keep a track of how many you're consuming. The general recommendation is not more than 20 to 23 almonds a day. Finally, number 5. The almond butter. Using almond butter is yet another healthier choice. You can use it to boost your daily protein intake by adding it in smoothies, salads, or fruit bowls. You can also have it with a slice of bread if you want a quick and healthy fix. Almonds have many benefits for your health as well as your skin and hair. If you're trying to be healthier, this power-packed dry fruit is an excellent choice. You can add it in savory meals as well as desserts. Even though you may not be eating healthy always, you can start small by making these healthier choices. Share with us in the comments below, how do you like having almonds? Finally, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Let us make a healthy community by sharing this video to your loved ones. Let us catch up with another great content. Until then, it's Arun signing off from